looking at the metals that can roll thin. This is a little bit of a chart just to break out what we can do from a metal standpoint. So looking at nickels in terms of 10 plus microns, what we can do is a lot thinner. We can go 2 plus microns in terms of our, what I'll call thinness, at a width of about 1.25 to 300 millimeters. Aluminums, again, using battery technologies, capacitor technologies. Industry standard would be about 5 plus microns. We can do those at Arnold down to about 2.5 microns, 1.25 to 430 millimeters width. Coppers, again, industry standards about 5 plus microns. We can get those down to about 2 plus microns in a 1.25 to 292 millimeter width. Titaniums, again, titaniums for, we want people to think about structures. You can make structures out of thin titanium technologies. And that stuff we can do down to 2 plus microns in terms of thinness. So really thin, but again, then you can engineer that into a structure, kind of spot welded together, etc. And again, that can go, 1.25 to almost 400 millimeter width. And then lastly, to round it out, the stainless steel categories, which again, those can get down to that same roundabout 2 plus micron thinness range with about that same material width.